Like that.
We have to go, Michael.
Okay.
What, sweetie? Oh, where's his water? He has no water.
Yeah, I took it away because we were getting ready to leave. I don't want him to be in the car.
Yeah, but he's tired. You can tell he needs water.
It's pretty good with following it.
The slightest movement he makes, he's very thirsty, you know?
No, he drank all that water. It's alright, don't slobber it all over the floor, it's fine. Boy, have I changed.
You? Yeah.
Well, look at that face. Okay, I'm done. Yeah, this looks like a good spot.